This comprehensive 16-page lesson plan with clear do, say, read conversational wording takes your students through Genesis 2:5 through chapter 3 and includes the following activities. Students color code Genesis 2 to provide a deeper understanding of the man, the woman, the trees in the garden, and God's commands. Using a Garden of Eden tree as a prop, students read a provided script and act out Genesis 3 so that this familiar story becomes fresh. The discussion that follows shows students how Adam and Eve both played the blame game instead of taking personal responsibility for their choices. This launches your class in understanding that there are clear warning signs and patterns of behavior that precede any decision to sin. The eyes see, the heart wants, and the hand takes. Colorful posters are included in this lesson as visuals. Students are also taught 4 keys to resisting temptation that they can remember using 4 of their fingers. At the beginning of the lesson, students hold dirt in the palm of their hands and wonder how God could breathe life into it, and then by the end of the lesson realize that dirt to dirt, dust to dust, we are all destined to die. But all hope is not lost, not even close. The final section of the lesson answers the question, what have I learned about Jesus today? He is the Serpent Crusher in Genesis 3:15, a prophecy that gives Jesus victory over the effects of sin and death on our behalf and dooms Satan to an eternal torment. Jesus reversed this curse, and when we become his followers, a great exchange occurs. He takes our sins upon him and wraps us in his righteousness.